They say blondes have more fun. Let's do these curly boho knotless and see.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.
She's back with another watch me work. Let's get straight into these knotless braids. Right here, I'm going ahead and sectioning my hair off. I'm sectioning off the back and the front section because that's how I'm going to start off the foundation of my hair. I'm going to go ahead and do the back and then do the front. This was actually on my birthday. This was me sectioning off my hair. I was supposed to finish my hair on my birthday, but that definitely didn't end up happening. I was supposed to be doing medium braids, but for some reason, I don't know why I did these parts so small. So this is like a extra medium, I guess you could say, but here's after I went ahead and sectioned off my whole head, pre-parted my whole head, and I'm ready to go. I have to pre-part. Pre-parting is mandatory for me because I feel like that makes the process go by smoother. This is the hair that I used. I ordered 6 bundles off Amazon. The hair will be linked in my bio. And for the braiding hair, I did get 3 packs of hair that comes in the 3-pack of 27 and 613. And every time I'm about to do blonde, I get so frazzled by the color, but I end up loving it every time. Here's after I did the first row. I say every time, and this is only my second time trying blonde, but yeah, I still end up loving a new style every time. But after I did each braid, I did go in and trim, but once I got at the top, I ain't gonna lie, I stopped that trimming stuff. I was ready to be done. But for the most part, for these first couple rows, I definitely was going in and trimming my hair. I was ready to be done. This is my last braid for the back. The back of my hair was so full. I did realize that I did not have to add as many curly pieces as I did to the back couple of rows. I'd say like 2-3 of the back rows. I could have went light on the curly pieces, but we live and we learn. I still love the outcome overall. Plus, I wanted the hair to be full anyway. I wanted it to look like I had a 30-inch or 40-inch curly bust down, but it was with braids instead, a protective style. But I feel like I definitely did achieve that look. When adding the curly pieces to the braid, I am going to show 2 methods that I did to add the curly pieces. This was one, just braiding in the curly piece and then taking it out and just pinning it or wrapping it around one of my sections that I had sectioned off and just continuing the braid. So I feel like it's, you know, a couple ways you can add in the hair, but just make sure it's secure either way. I feel like I did the back extra full too. That's why I ended up using 9 packs. I ordered 6 packs, but I did end up ordering 3 more packs just because I felt like I was gonna end up needing some more hair, which I'm glad I did because I did end up needing more hair. Here I am adding in the braiding hair as well. To add in the braiding hair, you're just feeding it in and just continuing to braid. Like I said, I did use 9 packs of hair, and I did end up doing it full at the top. At the top, I added more pieces than I did to the braids in the back. I'll say the top, the whole top of my hair, even including the back, like the crown area, just so I can have that extra fullness at the top that I wanted. When adding in the curly hair at the end of the braid, I just add in both of the ends of the curly hair. I braid down and then I section off a little piece of hair right here like I'm doing and wrap it around the braid, and then I secure it with the knot. I do a loop and I do like 3 to 5 knots, just as comfortable as I feel. Just keep knotting until I feel comfortable, and then it's secured. And that's how I secure the end of all of my braids. I usually cut the braiding hair, but this time I decided to keep the braiding hair ends because I wanted to curl them at the end. As far as how many curly pieces I add in the back, I did about 5 to 7, and then at the top I wanted to make sure I did at least to about 8 to 10 curly pieces of hair to get that extra fullness in the back. I wanted it to be as full as possible. This is after I completed the whole back section, and it was easy to detangle. That's what I do love about this hair as well. The less you do detangle it, the more matted it will get, because at the end of the day, it's still human hair mixed with synthetic hair. The braiding hair is still synthetic hair, but I was getting so excited because it's like, okay girl, you halfway done. I was doing my hair over a span of a few days because I started a new job, so I was tired. I was fed up and just overdoing my hair. When adding in the braiding hair, you want to get as close as your root as possible because that's going to determine how tight your braid is. So just make sure you're getting as close to the root as possible to keep the knotless tight. And also to braid, and then you braid 1 to 2 times, and then you're going to go in and add another second piece to feed in. When feeding in the braiding hair, make sure the pieces are kind of thin, unless you want large knotless braids. But if you're doing more of a medium look, I was so agitated because I messed up, so I had to restart on the braid. But depending on the size of your braids, just make sure your pieces match the size of your braid. And also too, in the front, I was adding more curly pieces at the root. Can't tell no bad bitch what to do unless you make me. I was jamming. I had to insert that little clip because that's my song right there. But like I was saying, yeah, I added more curly pieces to the top just so I can, like I said, have my hair as full as possible. I'm showing the ends right here where I'm about to go in and braid in the curly piece. And I braid down until I just feel comfortable. And I separate the curly piece and have it by itself. And I put the braiding hair together so it can just be like the two separate braiding pieces are left by themselves, and I'm doing the same loop that I did in the beginning. It's just the same repetitive process. Make sure you do multiple knots just so you can secure the braid and so the hair won't unravel. Right here, I did have to go in and tidy up some of my parts because like I said, I was doing my hair over a span of a few days. So the parts were a little old, so I had to go back and tidy those up. I still felt like it was easy to do because my hair was already pre-parted in sections. So it wasn't like I was having to go in and actually part my hair because my hair was already parted. The parts were just old and the hair was just kind of clumped together because I had it up or wrapped up.
All I ever wanted was a black grand national. Fuck being rational, give them what they asked for. It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that are really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on their ass. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I made them niggas mad. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G-Pad. Yeah, watch a nigga do it. We survived outside, all from the music, nigga. What? They like, what he on? It's the Alpha and Omega, bitch. Welcome home. This is not a song. This is a revelation. How to get a nigga gone. You need you a man, baby. I don't understand, baby. Pay your bill and make you feel protected like I can, baby. Teach you something if you need correction. That's the plan, baby. Don't put your life in these weird niggas' hands, baby. Wow. It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that are really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on their ass. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I made them niggas mad. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G-Pad. Yeah, watch a nigga do it. We survived outside, all from the music, nigga. What? Hey, turn this TV off. Ain't with my type activities, then don't you get involved. Hey, what? How many shit I seen? Send them all. Take a risk or take a trip. You know I'm tripping for my dog. Who you with? Couple sergeants and lieutenants for the get back. This revolution been televised. I fell through with the knickknacks. Hey, young nigga, get your chili up. Yeah, I meant that. Hey, black out if they act out. Yeah, I did that. Hey, what's up, though? I hate a bitch that's hating on a bitch, and they both hoes. I hate a nigga hating on them niggas, and they both broke. If you ain't coming for no chili, what you come for? Nigga feel like he entitled cause he knew me since a kid. Bitch, I cut my granny off and she don't see it how I see it. Got a big mouth, but he lack big ideas. Send him to the moon, that's just how I feel, yeah. It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that are really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough.
It's no better feeling than getting to that last braid. Like, I was so happy. Like, you gotta bust out into the happy dance. We're done. We did it. We made it. We did it, Joe.
Putting it in my car, wherever I choose to go, it won't take me far. I'm living my life like it's golden. I'm
After I'm done braiding, I did go in with the mousse of my choice, and I also too spray some Gots to Be glue as well, just to secure the mousse and hold the hair and frizz and anything intact. And right here is after I'm done completing. Before I dip the hair, I went ahead and added the flexi rods to the ends, and I just did like 3 flex. I split my hair in half and did 3 flexi rods on each side. And this part is where I dipped my hair on the left side, and the right side is where I didn't dip my hair. I love the way it came out dipped, because I was like, I thought I was gonna damage the curl pattern, but thankfully it didn't. I love the way this ended up coming out. This is after the hair is fully dry, completely dry, and it still kept its curl pattern after being dipped in hot water. Before dipping my hair, I did allow the water to cool down a tad bit, but the water was still very hot. The blonde will definitely be in my rotation of braids that I will be doing for the summer, or whenever I want to do braids, whenever I feel like I want to do color, this would definitely be in rotation. This is also too with a half up, half down. I wanted to show how full that look as well. This is like also too a month later with my hair. I definitely would be running this back. It's a whole lot of peace, love, and dopeness.
They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.